In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a trailing stop in Binance futures using the mobile app. Understanding how to effectively use trailing stops can enhance your trading strategies and help you manage risk. So grab your mobile device and let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your Binance app. Once you're in, navigate to the futures section, and from there you'll want to select the USDSM option. This section is where we'll be executing our trailing stop, and it's crucial for ensuring your orders are managed properly. Futures trading can be quite intricate, so keeping organized and knowing exactly where you are in the app will help immensely. Now that we're in the USDSM futures section, it's time to choose a trading pair. For this example, let's use BTC USDT, a popular pair which offers substantial liquidity and trading opportunity. However, if you have another pair in mind, feel free to select whichever fits your strategy. Selecting the right trading pair is significant because your trailing stop's effectiveness will largely depend on the pair's volatility and trading volume. Once you've chosen your trading pair, look for the Stop Market drop-down menu. When you tap on it, you'll see the Trailing Stop option. Go ahead and select that. Choosing trailing stop is a crucial step because unlike a regular stop market order, a trailing stop will follow the price direction favorably, allowing potentially more profit to be captured while still protecting against downside risk. Next, it's time to set your activation price and callback rate. You'll input these figures based on your trading strategy and market analysis. The activation price is essentially the point at which you'd like your trailing mechanism to start, and the callback rate is expressed as a percentage. This percentage determines how far the price can move against you before the order is triggered. Setting these parameters thoughtfully is key to tailoring the trailing stop to best fit the market conditions and your personal risk tolerance. After setting your desired activation price and callback rate, confirm your action by tapping either buy, long, or sell short, depending on the direction of your trade. If you believe the asset price will rise, choose buy, long. Conversely, if you predict a fall in price, sell short would be the correct action. This step finalizes your order and puts your trailing stop into effect, helping you automate the exit strategy while focusing on other market opportunities. There you have it, your trailing stop is now set on Binance Futures through the mobile app. This tool is invaluable for traders seeking to maximize gains while minimizing risk, providing peace of mind by dynamically adjusting your stop loss based on market movements. As you get more comfortable with this feature, remember to continually assess and tweak your strategies as market conditions change. Happy trading and see you in the next video.